Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by organizing what the legend will explain: layers, place marks, and overlays. First, create a new folder in My Places and name it Legend, because Google Earth Pro uses that structure to group items visually. Then drag the relevant place marks, polygons, or image overlays into that folder so you can toggle them together. Once done, turn on the folder to preview visibility. Make sure each item has a clear short name and color or icon chosen now so the legend will match what appears on the globe. Now assemble the visible legend elements. Add placemarks for each symbol you need and edit their style. Choose icon, scale, and label. For polygons and lines, set stroke width, dash pattern, and fill opacity so they reproduce map symbology accurately. If you want a framed legend, create a small image with the symbols and import it as an image overlay. Position it in the corner of the view. Once each item looks right, arrange the items inside the legend folder in the correct order so users read it top to bottom. Finish by anchoring the legend so it stays where you want. Use an image overlay for fixed placement or embed HTML in a placemark description for static display. Save the legend folder as a KMZ to preserve custom icons and images. Once exported, reopen the KMZ to confirm icons, colors, and placement. If something goes wrong, check icon paths and embedded image links. Missing icons often mean external files weren't bundled. Make sure to test on another computer to confirm the legend renders the same for others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.